Neymar Junior. Neymar Junior, he don't welcome in number 4 pikin. Number 4 pikin. Neymar get 1, 2, 3, 4 pikin. Yes, Papa get 4 pikin. He welcome Bruna Biancadi. And they share the picture them for Instagram. After the born, he get pikin, male, and he publish all picture them. He talk say, was small male, he don't come. And then, he say, Ambeli a dû see encore davantage notre vie. Okay, so the pikin he come, for can fix their life, and make their life, it be fine way. Now so, Neymar talk, and then the woman too, he answer the talk for that way, they talk for the way they talk, for the way they talk go, for the way the pikin come, they talk the thing, and then they go talk now, before they talk carry for play with they talk for say me they talk, it be for way they talk go be, for way they talk go be. Una understand the play what talk the thing dey? So Neymar, na Korean African man, una see Neymar na black no, Brazil for that side of Brazil, so the thing I say Neymar is a happy man, we don't welcome a pikin. Una even a way we dey na for that way, they for that place way, they will talk that way for say, oh, it is Nelo baby, oh, it is Sambra ton père, oh, il est Nelo bébé, oh, il ressemble à maman. Depuis la naissance que le bébé est venu, c'est comme les Ludananga au bébé. Oh, il est Nelo bébé, oh, il ressemble à papa. Voilà. Now so for sing the song for the pikin, for welcoming. No. Tell you they say beletin they work you for you fine. Tell you don't come back for you when I tell you go understand say we will don't come for you before una no. It's no easy. Why would they come before we they tell we say tell they come the thing no be easy with this in a play. Now we say we don't understand say they well in only for you must fight them. So we tell all and jack them. Now so the thing they